Okay, so now we're on to recipe 3 of 3 of leftovers of corned beef and cabbage. This is the appetizer. We're doing Reuben egg rolls. So first what I did was I took the remaining corned beef and kind of shredded it up and dried it, patted it dry with paper towels. Did the same with some sauerkraut. We have a little bit of Swiss cheese, the extra thin slices, a little bit of water, and egg roll wraps. And then we'll use the Thousand Island dressing for a dipping sauce. So let's start assembling them. Take a small amount of corned beef. Some sauerkraut. Probably just one slice of the Swiss. Put them in the air fryer basket. I'm going to air fry them today and not deep fry. I'm not sure if I want to do an oil on there. The egg roll wrapper said you can air fry and then just spritz a little oil on them. So I think I'll do half with that and half just plain and see how they turn out, see which one works better. So it's 400 degrees in the air fryer for 10 minutes as well. So we'll see how that cook time goes. Each air fryer is a little different. I'll be using my basket air fryer today. I also have the kind with the different little racks that slide in. Okay, so I have them in the air fryer bin. I'll spray the oil on the 3 in the front with avocado oil. The 3 in the back will be plain, and we'll see how they cook. Okay, so here we are at 8 minutes at 400 degrees in the air fryer. I probably could have taken them out at 7. I wanted to see how much more they browned up with that time. So let's get them cut up and plated. Yeah, I definitely should have taken them out at 7. They're a bit done. But they're nice and crispy. Those 3 were the ones with the oil on them. These had nothing added on top. They're still just as crispy. that is the appetizer recipe for leftovers of corned beef and cabbage Reuben egg rolls. I'd like to thank you for spending time with me in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and refer a friend. See you next time. Take care.